Hello guys, in this video we will see Fortnite crashing after update. Easy ways to fix on sus and bugs. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Verify game files and check server status. Contain a common cause for crashes after an update is corrupted or missing game files. On open the Epic Games launcher, navigate to your library, click the three dots next to Fortnite, and select Verify. This process will scan and repair any discrepancies, warps, and bugs. Check for game updates in the console dashboard and ensure the game is fully installed. A hard restart power safely can sometimes trigger a file integrity. Check simultaneously. Always check the official Fortnite status, Twitter account, or Epic Games status page to confirm there are no ongoing server-side issues that might be causing widespread connection or stability problems. Step update graphics, drivers, and system software. Content outdated graphics drivers are a frequent culprit for game crashes. Ensure your boot drivers are up to date by visiting the official websites for NVIDIA and/or Intel and downloading the latest stable versions. Similarly, ensure your operating system Windows is fully updated for sus and bugs. Navigate to your console system settings to check for and install any available system software updates. Console firmware updates often include stability improvements and compatibility fixes that can resolve game-specific issues.
Step clear cache and close background applications. Content accumulated cache data can sometimes lead to performance issues and crashes, and you can clear temporary files through Windows Disk Cleanup. Forks and bugs. Perform a full power cycle. Turn off the console, unplug it from the power outlet for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. This process clears the system cache without deleting game data. Additionally, close all unnecessary background applications, browser tabs, and other resource-intensive programs before launching Fortnite to free up RAM and resources, which can prevent crashes caused by system overload. Step lower in-game settings and reinstall prerequisites. Content sometimes new updates can be more demanding on hardware, causing instability with previous graphics. Settings. Launch Fortnite and navigate to the in-game settings tray, lowering various graphics options such as resolution, view, distant shadows, textures, and post-processing effects. Experiment with performance mod if available for users. Specifically ensure essential prerequisites like directs and visual distributables are correctly installed or repaired. These are critical components many games rely on. You can often find installers within the game's installation directory, command latest folder, or download them from Microsoft's official website.
Step reinstall Fortnite and contact support. Content. If all previous steps fail, a complete reinstallation of Fortnite is often the most effective last resort. You can install the game via the Epic Games launcher and then delete any remaining Fortnite folders from your system before reinstalling on sus and bugs. Navigate to your game library, select Fortnite, and choose the option to delete or uninstall the game, then download and reinstall it. This ensures a fresh, uncorrupted installation. If the crashes persist even after a clean reinstall, gather detailed information about your system specifications for console model, the exact error messages received, and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken, and contact Epic Games support for further assistance.